New details tonight in a nearly 4-year federal lawsuit by the state of Indiana against the Indiana State Teachers Association. Both sides reached a settlement that's about to put millions of dollars back into school corporations that the state says were defrauded. RTV6 reporter Chris Profit is live in our newsroom now with details. Chris?
Yeah, Tanya, while Indiana's Secretary of State says that the ISTA defrauded teachers out of millions of dollars, the teachers union says that couldn't be further from the truth. Still, millions of dollars were lost in a defunct insurance trust, and part of that money is now going back to over 24 school districts. The settlement ends 4 years of legal wrangling over $27 million lost in the teachers union health insurance plan sold to 27 school districts that then collapsed in 2009. An insurance trust designed to keep health care costs in check for Indiana teachers.
I think things were going along pretty well, or people thought they were, and until the market fell and there were then problems. And as you try to overcome problems, then more problems sometimes surface.
Dr. Brenda Pike wasn't ISTA's executive director when its health trust went bust, but she maintains there was no wrongdoing and takes issue with the Secretary of State's claims that the union, along with the National Education Association, defrauded schools.
What makes this case particularly disturbing is how ISTA blatantly lied to the participating school corporations by sending them phony financial statements claiming that each had a healthy CSR balance when in fact it was broke.
Of the 2 central Indiana schools that are part of the settlement, Washington Township gets $987,000, while Center Grove Community Schools will get a check for $597,000. In a statement late Tuesday to RTV6, Center Grove Superintendent says he's pleased with the settlement and that Center Grove used money from its rainy day fund to start its own insurance plan to replace the ISTA health plans. And the ISTA says that the $14 million settlement is from money it recouped in lawsuits filed against the people responsible for the losses in the insurance fund. Terms of the settlement also include the ISTA and NEA admitting no liability in the case. Live in the newsroom, Chris Profit, RTV6.